Nothing says summer like a peach cobbler, bursting with cinnamon and sugar and a crumbly, buttery topping. So let's get started prepping the peaches. Look at how beautiful these Georgia peaches are. So let's peel this, then we're gonna cut it into nice slices for our cobbler. Peaches cut, got some white sugar, some brown sugar, some cinnamon, nutmeg, cornstarch, and some lemon juice. Stir these all together. Pour our filling into the dish. Now that our peaches are in our dish, all coated and lovely, we're gonna cook this at 425 for about 10 minutes. And then while it's baking, we're gonna make our topping. Flour, white sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, and some salt. Stir it around, get it nice and mixed. And butter. Just gonna toss that around with the flour mixture and then blend it up. You wanna make sure that this resembles kind of a coarse meal. You wanna get rid of all these big chunks of butter you've got here. Now, let's stir in some hot water. We're gonna spoon this in dollops with small spoons on top of our cobbler to get kind of biscuity topping. Using 2 spoons really is easier than just trying to use one. Now we're gonna sprinkle this with a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. And sugar's gonna caramelize the top, give it a little bit of a crunchy coating, and the cinnamon is just gonna make everything smell magical. This may look like a lot of topping, but trust me, you won't regret it. We're gonna finish baking this in our 425-degree oven for another 30 minutes. This smells divine. My whole kitchen smelled divine as it was baking. People kept walking in and out of my house and they were saying, "What in the world does that smell? I love it." Paired with ice cream and some coffee, you will be in heaven. Comment below what your favorite summer dessert is and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.